Yeah, hi. I'm Vaishali Shah, and I'm a founder of LTA School of Beauty, a brand which is a part of Clarion Cosmetics. Uh, by qualification, I'm a nutritionist, but I started this whole brand on creating professionals in the field of beauty. We are close to 22 years old now in this industry.
My name is Biju Nair, and I'm the co-founder director of LTS School of Beauty. In fact, what Vishali mentioned about is one aspect of LTA where we have a school where we train people on beauty therapy, hairdressing, makeup, and give them jobs in salons, clinics, and so on. There's another aspect of LTA which is a retail aspect where we provide solutions of training to corporates. So any corporate who want the capability of their team to be enhanced through training, okay, and bring about a productivity enhancement through training, okay, we come in. To retail, we offer even more. Beyond training, we also provide solution of manpower staffing. We also provide sales, target take up, customer engagement, and so on.
I think the beauty industry is booming, and that means there is a need of more professionals that is coming in. Providing these more professionals in the industry and seeing the growth coming in an organized manner, I think is the exciting part of our beauty industry currently.
There are two problems which I see in the retail segment, okay, which we are very happy to solve, and we are uniquely placed to be the only one in that space. One happens to be the grooming. There are many players who provide grooming training, but we are perhaps the only one in the country who gives a 360-degree solutions for a grooming issues. Like we have a solution called GAPS, which stands for Grooming Training, Audit Services, product customized to customers, retail executive, and also salon services. Besides that, we also have a solution called RTDM, which is recruit, train, deploy, manage, wherein we not only hire staff, retail staff, but we also manage their training, manage their payroll, we also manage their sales. And this is something one of its kind which nobody else does it. So I'm happy to be in that space.
Okay, being a new entrant in this space of building professionals, or in case of retail, building this vertical, it was always a slow start, and we've always been told that patience is going to take us a long way, and it has taken us a long way. 22 years non-stop in this industry, and I don't think anything has destroyed it here. So patience is one thing which will happen, because businesses, you have to see 3 years of your cycle, which is your ups and downs, all your seasons, and there you will hit it right for sure.
One principle which I've learned very early, okay, is to stop being transactional and be transformational. Like we never want to enter into a space where we are treated like a vendor, okay, to a client, but it's more partnership. So if my partner makes money, I should make money only then. So we are happy together, we are sad together. Okay, so that's the kind of relationship which we want to build, and we have followed that and that is why we are doing so extremely well.
I think a platform where everybody could come together. Who would think of bringing in a service sector into this space? But we see there are so many retailers coming in, so many brands coming in, and this was a space which was lacking. If you go to a trade show, that's not there. I think this is a platform which CMPL has built it, and it's benefiting quite a bit there. And most important, like when I see this, my third edition, I'm here, not with LTA but with my other brand here. I see there's so many startups coming in, and startups have so many doubts and struggles in their mind, and when they're here, they get everything under one roof. I think that's a brilliant one for CMPL.
I think our expectation is that if somebody comes in one particular solution, okay, they should be able to find the entire set of value chain solutions, which I believe is something which we should also promote from CMPL, saying that it's not only if you look at the entire value chain, people come here for looking at only the contract manufacturing or the packaging, but there's a lot more which CMPL can offer. According to me, that should be packaged and promoted well. I would say highly one-stop services. So it's not one word, but maybe a highly resourceful. That could be a.
Food for thought, because a lot of people come here, and I'm sure they open up their minds, and their ideas just, I mean, they would flourish and change for sure.